Can this DIY drain line method be used on any air conditioning unit type? Most residential split systems and packaged units use a similar condensate drain concept that allows this method to work, but you must verify access and materials before you begin. Start by locating the drain pan and the visible PVC or flexible drain line. Then clear surface debris gently with a soft brush to prevent pushing clogs deeper. Use a wet vacuum on the outdoor condensate drain outlet for up to 2 minutes at a time to draw out blockages and avoid prolonged vacuums that can overheat the motor. Flush the line with warm water, followed by a 1/4 cup of white vinegar to break down biofilm and inhibit bacterial growth. Let the vinegar sit for 10 to 15 minutes, then flush again with water until clear. If your unit has a trap or access port, remove the cap and inspect for slime or mold, wearing gloves and eye protection, and replace seals carefully to avoid leaks. For older metal lines or units with internal drain pumps, consult the service manual first because vacuuming or flushing with pressure can damage delicate components. When in doubt, take photos of connections before disassembly and follow the manual to ensure correct reassembly and maintain manufacturer warranty compliance. Common mistakes include using excessive pressure when flushing, which can separate joints or push debris into the coil, so always use low flow and brief vacuum intervals to prevent damage. Another frequent issue is assuming every line is PVC. Some systems have metal or internal condensate pumps, and forcing a vacuum or chemical can break fittings. So inspect materials and the manual first. A third problem is neglecting safety and documentation, like not turning off power at the breaker or not photographing connections, so always cut power, wear protective gear, and document the setup so you can return everything exactly as it was. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers a community where we discuss projects, share photos, and trade maintenance tips relevant to drain line care. We help contractors find leads and let homeowners read real experiences from others tackling similar jobs.